Dr. Amanda with StraightSmile Solutions, StraightSmileSolutions.com, and today we're going to talk about making your ortho cases airway friendly. So I know this is all the big thing right now, so and I'm all for it. But basically, in a nutshell, airway friendly means, when possible, non-extraction. When possible, not moving things back, moving things forward. Can't always do that, but when possible, expanding arches. Can't always do that. So, I mean, that's pretty much it. Moving when you have an overjet, instead of moving the front teeth back, we want to move the lower jaw, not the teeth only, but the jaw forward. We also want to make sure that we're expanding the arch to the right width that everyone should be, not constricting them. So by pulling 4 teeth or by doing serial extraction, you are constricting the arch because you have less teeth, so you have to smush it up. That makes less space for the tongue, less position for the tongue. So, and of course, encouraging healthy swallowing, healthy tongue position, healthy breathing, healthy sleeping. So that's all about airway friendly. And yes, orthodontics is totally related to airway. All right, thanks so much.